Hi, in this video, I will show two easy ways to highlight the active row in Excel. The first works in older Excel versions and uses conditional formatting plus a tiny bit of VBA, so the highlight moves when you click a new cell. The second is for Microsoft 365 users and uses the built-in focus cell feature, which is much simpler. For older Excel versions, first apply conditional formatting to the range or whole sheet you want highlighted. You can select the entire sheet by clicking the triangle where the row numbers and column letters meet, or just select the specific range. With that range selected, go to the Home tab, choose Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Pick the option to use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, enter this formula, Haro DH. Find this formula in the video description. Then, click Format, go to the Fill tab, choose the highlight color you want, and click OK to close the dialog. That conditional formatting will work, but it only recalculates when you press F2. To make the highlight update each time you change the selection, add a tiny bit of VBA to the sheet. Right-click the Sheet tab name. Choose View Code to open the Visual Basic Editor. Using the drop-down, change from General to Worksheet. Type this line, Target. Calculate between private sub and end subline. What this does is force a calculation every time you select a different cell, which makes the conditional formatting check the formula again and move the highlight. After adding the code, close the Visual Basic Editor. Now, if you click any cell in the row will be highlighted. Save your workbook as an Excel macro-enabled workbook with the .xlsm extension. If you have the newer Microsoft 365 version and the focus cell feature, you can skip formulas and code. Go to the View tab, look in the Show group for Focus Cell, and click it to toggle the feature on or off. By default, it highlights both the active row and column. If you want a different color, click the small drop-down next to Focus Cell and choose Focus Cell Color to pick another fill. To wrap up, use the conditional formatting plus the tiny VBA routine. If you need compatibility with older versions of Excel, if you are on Microsoft 365 and have Focus Cell available, that is the fastest and cleanest option. Try the method that fits your version of Excel and pick a subtle color that helps you scan rows without making the sheet hard to read. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.